Getting paid with Venmo on Temu is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First, open your Temu app. On the main screen, you will see the Home, Categories, You, and Card options at the bottom. Click on the You section to head to your main profile page. From there, navigate to the settings. Now, here's the main step we need to take. We will change the country and region to select USA. After this, click on the back button. We will do this because this region has many free offer for you, so it is recommended to switch on USA. Next, click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. You will see various options such as free gifts, cash rewards, Fishland, and many more. Click on Cash Reward. A new screen will appear showing click and start to get your cash. Simply click on Start, and you will be presented with a spin wheel. Spin the wheel to get your free coins. To get more spins, refer this to your friends. Copy your referral code and share it with your friends. You can perform this process again and again to earn more. This is how you can get paid on Temu. One more thing, keep your VPN on during this process.